will be alright.
Yeah.
Probably.
I saw in Bali, I saw phones dropping.
Yeah.
Then you lost and
Yeah.
you lose it. You don't want that.
No.
That is your life. Fuck.
That's true, yeah. It is, yeah, but there's so much to do.
Yeah, but
You can easily spend 2 days and have not done anything.
yeah, but you have to pay 2 times then if you go today.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It's worth the money. There's so much to do, yeah. Oh, nice. Let's go! And nope. Yeah.
Yeah, and do you like photo rock?
Yeah.
I love that one. The dark.
Yeah. You can't see really anything.
Sorry?
You can't see anything.
Hurrying now to the photo rock. I hope then I can
Yeah.
chance for closing time.
I'm trying yours again.